Welcome to my video. Today we're going to play a game, a train game. So let's go to the driver mode. Let's do this job and choose this train, and let's see how we drive the train. Oh, we have to walk to the train. Do start our machine. I'm stuck in a hole. Good. It's hard to control it actually. So, what's this lever? Now we're getting the train, I think. Yeah. We're on the train. Now let's accelerate the train. Can you see the sign here? Next to this dot, whatever it is, that's the speed limit. And it says up here, what's the speed limit? It's 27 mph, miles per hour. And the maximum, I think, is 31 miles per hour of the train, which is actually quite slow for a train. Trains normally go up to 100 miles per hour. But underground trains, like we're going underground, they go slower. I don't know why. Maybe because there are so many curves. And this stop button, I think maybe when you press it, like the train stops as fast as it can. Well, now I can accelerate a bit to this line. So let me lift it and stop. Oh, we haven't. The lights are kind of rubbish. You can still barely see anything, and you can see up here. It tells you at the station. So we're the green train, and we're going to go. Oh, we're going too fast. So we know fast. There we go. And here's the. Oh, we're going to the station. First, let me just get to that line over there, and then stop. Go a little bit more forward. Stop. Yeah, that's how the train look like. Everybody's coming in. We have 9 passengers. You can see here. Now we can close the doors. Now you have to go back, do the same thing over again until we get into that station. Or maybe we're going to stop on that station or that station, I don't know. But I wish we could go maximum speed. Oh, go 48 miles per hour. 48? No, that's not maximum. That's more than maximum speed. 49, let's see if we can go this fast. Let's check. Oh, this looks like the London Underground, because normally in some other countries it looks like a square rectangle, but in England, the underground train in London, it's like curved. The maximum is 32 actually. I think maybe. So 33, we're going that fast. Oh, actually I said it's not that fast. And he wants us to go 48 miles per hour, but it doesn't let us go 48. Maybe it will let us slowly by slowly. We have to go down to 40, which we are lower than 40. $37. Oh, we're going a little bit faster every time. No, the train is getting closer. We have to slow down. Oh, I don't know what I mean. Sharp. Yeah, you can see it looks like a But soon I'm gonna get further. It's going to become like the London Underground, but we're not actually in the London Underground. We are in a country in Europe. Europe. Maybe it could be the like French Underground. It could be the German. It could be the Spanish. I don't know. Now I can go all those. Now I can go to the next station. The next station is the last station. Can you see this thing level here? Level? That's this thing which I'm doing right now. It's that thing. Oh look, we're going on the river. But we're on a bridge and we're driving on the river. That's how we're doing it. Let me accelerate now. I wish I could go a like 200 miles per hour, like sport trains, like like high speed trains, not sport trains. This is like sport trains. Come on, accelerate higher. Put the lights on. I can't. What's this sound? Oh, it's an announcement. What's this? No, it changed my cam isn't like a different way of saying camera. So down to 31, we're going closer to the station. Oh look, now it doesn't look like that. This area means you're getting closer to the station, which we are getting closer to the station. Let me just slow down a bit. I'll slow down a lot. Oh, this is our last station. Now let's slow down. Ooh. Come on. Yeah. Open the doors. Oh, so many people are coming on board. But I don't know why. Because you can't go through like the carriage here. Can't go through. It's like the olden times. And yeah, it's like the olden times. And you can see they're like leather. Like made out of leather. What? It looks like a different station. Look, it is a different station. What do you mean? What? Yeah, it is a different station. Of course I know. But it just looks like weird because why the platform is in the middle of this station makes no sense. It makes no sense. But bye. See you in another gaming train video. I don't know how to say it. Gaming train video. See you. Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to do that.